When a doctor says that they're board certified, do you know what that really means? Come join me and I'll tell you. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Board certification is the highest achievement a doctor can obtain in his or her medical specialty. Now, when a doctor has become board certified, it's supposed to mean that they have obtained the same level of knowledge that other doctors throughout the United States have obtained. It sets a baseline for the basic standards that the doctors are supposed to be aware of. Now, let me explain the process by which a doctor becomes board certified. They have to go through 4 years of medical school, then they have to go into an approved internship and residency training program for their particular field of medicine. Now, depending upon the specialty, it could be a 3-year training program, 4 years, 5 years, or even longer. Once the doctor has completed their approved residency training program, then they will have to go into practice for a period of about 2 years before they are even permitted to sit for their board examinations. The testing is typically done in 2 different parts. There's a written phase. If the doctor passes the written examination, then at a later time they will go ahead and sit for what's known as the oral examination. And that is testing given verbally to the doctor by very experienced and senior doctors in their particular specialties. There's some people who think that just because a doctor is not board certified means that they are more likely to commit malpractice and cause harm to somebody. That's not the case. And likewise, that there are doctors who are board certified who have caused harm to patients because they were careless at a particular point in time. So the mere fact that a doctor has achieved the highest level of board examinations and passed those examinations does not mean you cannot bring a lawsuit against them, and nor does it mean that they are insulated from liability. We can still show and attempt to show and claim that the doctor may have caused or contributed to the injuries that you suffered. So why do I tell you about this? I tell you about this just to give you an insight and an understanding into how this process works. And chances are you have questions and concerns about bringing a medical malpractice case here in the state of New York. Well, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. I'd be happy to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski in New York. Thanks so much for watching.